And I just wanted to show you a little something I made just recently, and I'm going to be putting in my shop. It's this little box of cards, and can you see that? My lighting has not been working out lately. I'm going to shut that off to see if that helps at all. But it's this little box of cards, and I have a template, the template to make the box, and then the printouts for all the little cards, which there are 75 of them. And you can use the cards to put in junk journals, or you know, whatever you want to do with them, or just save them as they are. These are alphabets, and the uppercase alphabets are all there, but the lowercase, I couldn't find all the lowercase alphabets, but they're mostly there. But it doesn't matter, they're really fun to use in whatever you want. So anyways, I have this in my little store on jmljournals.com. You will get the printouts and instructions for all of this, and it shows you how they're shiny. It shows you how, or I tell you how you can laminate the box and the cards if you would like. There are 75 cards, but if you laminate the cards, you have to eliminate some of them because it makes the cards thicker and they don't all fit in the box any longer. But I use this peel and stick laminate that you can get. And I think you can get it in craft stores or hardware stores even. But anyways, I've had this for a while, and I suppose you could use your laminating machine too, but the laminating machine will laminate on both sides, so that'll make it even thicker. There are ways you can just laminate on one side by putting 2 sheets of paper in between, and then when you laminate to both sides, one of the blank pieces of paper is laminated, and then there's a middle sheet in there that prevents it from sticking to one side. But anyways, this is what I made, this little tiny little box, and it's about 1.5 by 2 1/4. And I'm also working on this one, this one's called Alphabet. And this one is called Flowers, which I'm working on now. It isn't quite done yet, but this one is all flowers. These cards have not been laminated, and I didn't round the corners like I did with these. If you can see these, I rounded the corners on them. It's so hard to see. I can't believe, I don't remember having this kind of problem with my lighting, but these ones have rounded corners, and the flowers I didn't round, but you could if you wanted to. So I'll have both of these in my store shortly. This will probably go in today in the store. This one I haven't quite finished yet, but that'll go in shortly. So that's that. I just wanted to show you this little project I've been working on. I hope you enjoy them, and I will be talking to you soon because I'm going to have a video coming up in a few minutes about a journal that I just finished, and I will talk to you later. Bye. Thank you for watching.